just directly out here. It's a little too early for them. Wait till they spell out your name in the air.
Non-native European starlings by the thousands have descended on the shops at Riverpark in North Fresno. They are here for winter. It's their Cancun, says Andrew Angelis Jr., a UC Davis bird expert. The palm trees and grass are a perfect setting for their evening roost. This spectacle can be attributed to William Shakespeare. A fan of his brought 60 starlings to New York in the 1890s. The writer mentioned the bird once. Now, the North American population is estimated at 200 million.
From that way, and then saw them in the palm trees over there, and then we just turned and they're all above us. It's like you can't stop looking at them. They look like a bunch of swarming flies, except they're birds. Wow.
Riverpark has no intention of poisoning the birds as other communities have. Managers shrug it off to nature. Each morning the mess is cleaned up until the next night's visit. Craig Kohlruss for FresnoBee.com.